Making a genogram, it's like diving into your family history, but with a twist. Here's how to do it in a few easy steps. Step 1. Draw a basic family tree, starting with the oldest generation at the top. That's usually your grandparents or great-grandparents. Then add the younger generations below them, parents, siblings, your generation, and so on. Step 2. Connect the dots. Use lines to link family members together. Solid lines are for biological relationships like parent to child or siblings. If there are step-siblings or adopted family members, use dotted lines. Label each line with the type of relationship, like mom, dad, brother, or sister. Step 3. Now let's spice it up with some details. Inside each person's box, write down important stuff like birth dates, marriages, and any big life events. You can also jot down health stuff, like if someone has diabetes, depression, or any other conditions that run in the family. Step 4. Time for some color coding and symbols. Use colors to represent genders. Blue for guys, pink for gals, or whatever colors you fancy. And toss in symbols for health conditions or traits, like a heart for heart problems or a brain for mental health issues. This makes your genogram pop and easy to read. Step 5. Now take a step back and look for patterns. Check if certain health conditions or behaviors seem to pass down through the generations. It's like detective work, but with your family tree. Step 6. Last but not least, keep your genogram up to date. Whenever there's a new baby, a wedding, or health changes in the family, update your chart. It's a living document that helps you understand your roots and what makes your family tick. And there you have it, a genogram that's as cool and unique as your family.